I was sitting then having dinner with a few friends, and something happened. We got into this incident. A gentleman came up to us and told us to keep quiet, and then was abusive and said a lot of things in front of the women, and things got a little bit out of hand. And I just want to say that I acted in self-defense. I was hit, and I am very sorry that this had to happen the way it did. I'm sorry for the ladies concerned. I'm sorry for the elder gentlemen concerned, who I've had really nothing to do with at all, and certainly have not touched. Well, I think if there is any CCTV footage, I'd be very happy, because it would completely prove what has been said about us to be untrue. And I hope that the CC footage comes out, because then everyone will see what happened. I'm looking forward to the CCTV footage. No, I think obviously I could have reacted differently. I think I could have been like a saint, or like maybe a little more Gandhian in my approach and just absorbed everything. But I'm afraid I reacted in a way which I think any gentleman would have reacted. But I'm not proud of what happened. I think it could have been handled differently. And people who are being aggressive can sometimes be dismissed and should be dismissed. And I should have set maybe a better example. I'm sorry I reacted the way I did. No, I at the start of the whole thing, the gentleman said that, please keep quiet, among using bad language. He said, can you keep quiet? And I said, well, we're talking in a restaurant and we're allowed to talk. It's not a public library. If you're looking for silence, perhaps the library is the place to go. Maybe I shouldn't have said that, but what I meant was that it's okay to talk in a private dining area at 12 o'clock at night. क्योंकि नहीं सर, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं भागा हूँ. मैं अपना काम ख़त्म करके मैं पुलिस स्टेशन गया हूँ. मैंने अपना कंप्लेंट दर्ज किया है. And I have full faith in the police and the judiciary, and I have nothing to hide. And I have been there. It's just that I thought last night at 2 o'clock in the morning, I don't have this mind that will go to the police station and register a complaint or think what to do. I thought the matter is over. There was an argument, it was an ugly incident. I thought it's finished. No, nobody wants this publicity.